queens and my kings, welcome back to my channel. And for today we'll be doing a natural hair products haul. I bought a lot of hair products and I just wanted to show them. Why not? Because I used my money, right? But let me start off with the first product. The first product is this. Is Blueberry Bliss Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Wash. And I don't know, I love the natural hair product line because I tried one of their leave-in conditioners and it was really nice. So I decided why not pick up the reparative wash. And here I got the leave-in conditioner to go with it. Here I have their Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Mask. I'm trying to get into like using hair mask on my hair because my hair tends to get dry and brittle in the winter months. So I just wanted to get something like this so that it can make my hair more manageable. And on top of that, I got Blueberry Bliss Hair Growth Oil. Looks like this. Yeah. And going in with more oils, I got a Blueberry Bliss and Mint Tea Hair Growth and Scalp Treatment. It looks like this. And I tried it and it really works good. I like the tingling sensation that it leaves on my hair. On my scalp, I mean. But yeah, it's really good. And to tell you that I'm not lying, I really do love this leave-in conditioner by Blueberry by Curls. Cause look, it's almost gone. Like I've used it a lot. And then from the same line, I got their Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream. Looks like this. The texture is white and moussey. I wanted to try this because I want to perfect my twist outs and stuff like that. Because I don't know, it's hard to get a twist out. Let me know down below if you have issues with getting a perfect twist out, because I do. And going into the next item I have is this item called Omalichild Coffee Bean Thickening Hair Growth Oil. It's really good and I got it from one of the YouTubers on YouTube called Just Lost JC. She makes these oils and I liked it, and I noticed a change in my hairline is growing faster. So I suggest if you want to get it, go get it. I think I might put in a link down below for you to get it if you really want one. But yeah, this is nice. And going on with curls again, I have the Twist and Shout Cream, but in a smaller travel size version. Moving into African Pride, I got their pre-shampoo detangling and conditioning thing. I heard good reviews about this and I wanted to try it, so I decided to buy it. And I used it on my hair and it really works really good. It works wonders. It has like this gelatin kind of feel. Like it feels like gel almost, but it smells so nice and works well. Oh, I got two of them. But I really like them, so why not get two? Moving on into Pantene Gold Series. Their Gold Series line is awesome, amazing. I love it. So this one is the Leave On Detangling Milk, and it looks like this. And it's pretty cool. I like it a lot. And moving on into Mielle Organics, or Mielle, I don't know how you pronounce it, but this I put a video up about my favorite natural hair products, and this was one of them. So I will leave in the iCards above the video. But this Babassu Babassu and mint deep conditioner, Bliss. It's awesome and it's amazing. It leaves my hair feeling detangled and nice, and I love it really much. So if you don't do anything from watching this haul, definitely get this. If you're 4C, 4B, 4C, definitely get this product. Moving on into Aussie. Aussie has natural hair products now, so I wanted to try some of their natural hair products. And this one is Miracle Curls Cream Pudding. I want to try and perfect my twist out, so I decided to get this. It looks like that. It smells nice. I tried it on my hair and it was okay. So yeah, it was okay. Could have been better, but whatever. And then on top of that, with Aussie, they have Miracle Curl Defining Oil. Looks like this. Yeah, I wanted to try it because the OGX Argan Oil works really good on my hair, unsealing my ends and stuff, but I just wanted to try a cheaper alternative, even though the OGX one is like $10, so that's not bad. And going in with Aussie again is their 3-minute miracle. This stuff, I used to use it a long time ago, and it used to do wonders for my hair. So I was like, why not use it again on my natural hair and see how it works? It looks like that. And the last hair product from Aussie that I bought was their Miracle Curls Frizz Taming Cream with coconut and Australian jojoba oil. It looks like this. And I don't know, I want to try it. It smells nice, so hopefully it works really well with my hair, because sometimes I don't want to try new products because if it's not broke, don't fix it type of thing. So like, I'm trying to like branch out into buying more hair products to see what stuff works for my hair. If I can find any cheaper alternatives, then that's good. And when I went to TJ Maxx and I saw this extra dark Jamaican black castor oil by Sunny Isle, and it looks like this, and I wanted to try it just because I've never really seen the extra dark one. The extra dark one is actually hard to find, so when I saw this I was like, I have to have it, and it was like $5.99. So I was like, why not get Jamaican black castor oil, because it helps grow hair, and I'm trying to grow my hair longer than it is now. So the last set of products that I got are from Natural Club. I got their leave-in conditioner, and I use this, and their leave-in conditioner is bomb. It's amazing. They have good leave-in conditioners. I really like this. I recommend you get this. It looks like this. The next product I got was their pure avocado oil, and it looks like this. And I tried it. I like it. I like the way it smells. It's just regular oil, so I like it. And moving on, I got their Jamaican black castor oil growth serum. I really like this one a lot too. It's pretty nice, and yeah, I use it on my hair. I love the smell of lavender. It has a a good scent. I really like it a lot. And it's in a big tube, so I like that. And the last final product is their Thirst Quenching Avocado Hair Moisturizer. It looks like this. And I can't wait to use it. So that's all for my haul. If you like my haul, give it a big thumbs up. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below which natural hair products you use on your 4B, 4C hair. And while you're at it, you might as well subscribe, my friend. It's free. And if you're going to subscribe, please turn on post notifications so you can be notified every single time your girl upload a video. And with that being said, bye.